Hi everyone, I'm Cassidy, Education and Recruitment Coordinator for Sunlight's Professional, and I am so excited to personally invite you to one of the most impactful education events of the year. It is all happening Sunday and Monday, July 13th and 14th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., hosted by Maylee's Manoco Blue at the Embassy Suites by Hilton, Columbus, Dublin, just outside of Columbus. And bonus, there is free parking available. Now, let me tell you why you need to be there. This is your exclusive chance to learn directly from the Bali Lama herself, Candy Shaw, in a high-energy, hands-on workshop that will totally transform your confidence and skill set behind the chair. This two-day class is packed with industry-changing education and proven techniques that have helped stylists all around the world paint and cut their way to success. Day one is all about balayage. You'll learn Candy Shaw's award-winning balayage education, a system that helps you paint faster, brighter, and better. Are you struggling with spottiness, placement, lift, or never even done a balayage? We've got you. This class will teach you to paint your way to financial freedom and build your balayage business from the ground up. Day two focuses solely on cutting. Dive into Candy's coveted French cutting curriculum, a revolutionary approach that's faster, softer, and more intuitive than traditional methods. It's designed to elevate your efficiency and create stunning wearable shapes that your clients will love. So what's included? Use of a mannequin head for hands-on practice, lunch on both days, take-home educational materials, a swag bag full of goodies, and of course a diploma to show off your accomplishments. What to bring? On day one, all you need is a color apron and a learning attitude. And on day two, you're going to need your straight shears, a comb, and a water bottle, and that's it. For tickets, you can buy one day for $2.99 or both days for $4.99 and save $99. Seats are limited and this class will sell out, so do not wait to grab your tickets today at eventbrite.com. This is your moment to connect with Candy Shaw, elevate your craft, and take your career to the next level. We cannot wait to see you in class.